Do you know why some people grow avocado? It's not because they want to take the avocado fruit, but they're growing it for the leaves. In this video, I'll show you how to make avocado leaf tea, and I'll also show you how to get your fresh leaves. Welcome to Lillian's Garden. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and your comment. It just generally keeps somebody in good health. The avocado is high in quercetin. These incredible leaves of the avocado are also full of minerals like zinc, which help boosts immunity, calcium, which strengthens the bones, and amazing magnesium that's responsible for the production of so many hormones and enzymes within the body. Also, there is potassium. We have all these in the avocado, and they are also present in the seed and in the leaves. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your avocado that you've bought from the shops and plant them to produce fresh leaves. You can also use dried leaves. It's still going to contain all the elements. But producing your own fresh leaves might actually be quicker if you're eating avocado fruit already. You just need to grow 4 or 5 in a pot, and you have your avocado plant. Harvest the leaves and make your avocado tea and gain the benefit. Avocados that you see come from trees that are decades or even centuries old. Large avocados have to be harvested and transported all over the world. If you start growing your own avocado, it will take decades for it to reach maturity and produce those very big, nutritious fruits. We all have to depend on the avocado trees that are grown in specific regions of the world. But for leaves, we can all grow our own avocados. It's 4 months later, and my avocados have grown. I have the avocado leaves for use, so I just cut them off. Sometimes I would cut off 2, sometimes I'll cut off 3, and it's so easy to make. You will get the best out of this avocado tea if you use the fresh leaves. But if you don't get the fresh leaves, the dried leaves are also good enough. Nice. The one I had last year is outside, and it hasn't got leaves right away anyway. So that's why I have to keep planting these avocados that we eat. Just put them in the soil. I have another bunch that is already in the soil that hasn't grown out yet. But these are the ones that we're eating for now and juicing. It's very good for health. If you're in the tropics, your avocado leaves will not go away. It will continue into the following year because there will be no break. There's no winter. So you can get a very big tree very soon. But you can just carry on using the leaves. So I'm going to make my avocado leaf smoothie with the banana. So I'll use just 2 leaves. Yeah, cut into pieces and put it in a blender with some water. So It tastes really nice. It's a very good smoothie. Enjoy. I would hope you can do this with your avocado seeds and gain the advantage of having your avocado in the sun, produce green leaves for you. You can Google this and find all the advantages. Then you can decide if you want to throw your avocado seeds away or you want to just plant them, maybe 4, 5 or 6 in a pot, and you have avocado leaves to add to your food. Now I'm going to make the avocado leaf tea. I made the smoothie drink yesterday, so the leaf tea I make today is 6 of them. Thoroughly wash the leaves. And I'm just going to cut it. I'll put the boiled water, which I measured in 2 cups, 6 leaves. So I'll place this boiled water on the fire now. It's boiling, and I'll just let it boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Let's cover it. So we have 2 cups of tea. This is what it looks like. I just drink it like this. I don't add honey or anything. You get used to taking it. You can make this 3 times a week and have it for 3 weeks in a row. And you can make it up to 5 times in a week and have it for 3 weeks in a row. And then you take a break. Then you may take it again in a couple of months. When you first pour it into the cups, it looks green. But within a minute or 2, it turns brown. It's a nice, rich color. It has a slight taste. It's not sugary, it's not bitter, but it's not tasteless. I hope you can try it. It's good for your health. Anybody can grow this anywhere in the world, and you can make your own healthy tea free of additives, fertilizers and herbicides. Leave a like, leave a comment. This helps me to improve the channel content. Thank you.